Hey everyone, Rachel here with vicrez.com. Today, we've got some quality tips for BMW owners out there who drive the M2, M3, or M4 series vehicles. Exhaust tips, that is. Made for your 2014 to 2020 BMW back ends. Now, vz101482 is a 4-piece set of carbon fiber exhaust tips. Fully enclosed in aerospace-grade carbon fiber and completed with a laser-engraved M logo, adding the perfect touch to your BMW F80, F82, F83, and F87s. Now, fitment is going to be limited to the M2, M3, and M4 body styles only, which means that all M2 F87 coupes from 2016 to present, M3 F80 sedans from 14 to present, and both the M4 F82 coupe and F83 cabriolet from 2014 to present can expect an OEM fit. Now, since your car's original stock exhaust is there to perform a function, namely removing unclean air and reducing back pressure, you'll most likely find that this hidden component of your car is rather unflattering when you view it up close and personal. These M Performance exhaust tips, however, are designed to let your exhaust system achieve the same result, but while looking good in the process. Now, a new exhaust tip technically doesn't actually do anything to alter the performance of your exhaust system. It makes it a little challenging for me to explain to you. But for all intents and purposes of being educational, let's address the basics. Essentially, exhaust tips are an exterior car accessory that help the engine to vent out fumes. So on paper, you wouldn't expect much gain in the way of functionality. But with a total weight reduction of 8 kilograms less than the stock exhaust, you'll have removed nearly 17 pounds once all 4 exhaust tips have been successfully installed. These 4 exhaust tips are 80 millimeters in width, so once installed onto your dual exhaust, you will notice steadily increasing power and better performance because of the engine's ability to breathe better. Which makes sense, considering the speed at which the exhaust fumes are forced out of the engine is not only limited by the size of the camshaft, but by the timing as well. Meaning you'll want to get more of that used air through that exhaust and out at one time. So the more exhaust you get out in one go, the more your engine can suck back in, thus more horsepower is achieved, all while improving the drag coefficient of your M-Series BMW. Combining the use of both 3D scanning and CAD data, we are able to capture engineering optimizations that ensure that our Vicrez parts will fit on your vehicle on the first try. And with vicrez.com striving to provide customers with a larger selection of parts, we are always working to expand the Vicrez product line in order to provide more options on more products for more vehicles than ever before. But we'll have more videos out soon, so stay tuned if you like what you see and you want to see more. Just do yourself a favor and hit that like button. Head on over to our channel to subscribe to get the 411 on our new product releases first. And if you want the latest deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com and subscribe to our weekly newsletter.